Guys, I find something else too. In the end, in the endless ocean map. Look at these giants. What are these even? Don't mind my brother in the background. What are these? They are so weird. They are giant tortoise because I'm currently exploring the deep dark ocean of the endless map. Well, these things are like, what was the copy? Mail voters, please tell me because if someone does not tell me, I'll keep showing you guys all the secrets. This is so weird. They are giant tortoises, and nobody even know that they are here. Guys, not to I can subscribe. I watch them for some. Oh that. Oh damn. Oh god. What is guys? Guys, what is new pictures? I can't really see, but like they're so small. I see their eyes. See their eyes. See the other of the fish. Guys, don't follow me on my endless sea journey. Let's continue going to the deep and find secrets. Oh god, this one looks calm. The other one looks angry. I'm going so deep. God.